participate in online forums and discussion groups. Listen, family, this is one of the biggest things that I really enjoy doing is just being part of a discussion group. And I want to put this caveat: you don't have to actually comment, but you get a chance to see what people are thinking, what are people addressing within their career. What for us is in project management, you have platforms like Reddit, Quora, um, Facebook groups, LinkedIn. There's some valuable places, and also, yours truly is creating something for you guys as well. And the importance of being able to do this, you're on a platform with like-minded individuals, meaning that, let's say for instance, in our particular niche, we're talking here in project management and personal development, being around other people that get the jargon or can help you along in your journey. That's why, family, we created here the Magnetic Project School, or the TMP School for short. It's already one person in there, so